Gonna do a little walk around on the 2017 Porsche Turbo S with 5,000 miles on it for you. The car is as good as it gets for a used car. Absolutely beautiful and in amazing condition. And obviously it only has 5,000 miles on it, so you probably wouldn't expect anything less. The person I got the car from was the second owner. He bought the car certified pre-owned. It's nicely optioned out as well, as you can see from the window sticker posted in the ad. Comes with all the books, 2 keys. Also, almost the entire car is wrapped in a PPF, paint protective film. The entire front hood, front and rear side fenders, the doors, mirrors, and then right here it has a film here covering this area, kind of like where rocks normally brush up against, which is nice because you'll see how much protection it's done in that area. The paint's beautiful. There's one little mark in the paint protective film right here, driver's side. You can see it. It's a tiny little mark there. I don't think it's done anything to the paint, I can't tell, but it's most likely protected by the film there, but you can see that little mark. Inside of the car, immaculate. The seats are perfect. This is the driver's side area, which on a lot of cars you'll see it's like worn. These are like brand new. Passenger seat, immaculate as well. The door sills are in really good condition. These are carbon fiber. Carbon fiber here, carbon fiber all throughout the car. It has the carbon fiber mats as well. This is the driver's side rear wheel. Love the yellow brake calipers. The driver's side front wheel. Passenger side front wheel. Passenger side rear wheel. Love the center locking wheels, yellow brake calipers, the carbon ceramics. The upgraded sound system, navigation. The odometer reads 5,143 right now. It's keyless entry. The keys in my pocket. Navigation. You got heated seats, cooled seats. This is zoom in. The PDK, suspension, traction control, auto off, the rear spoiler up and down, and then my favorite feature on Porsches and Ferraris and other cars is the front lift. So you'll see right there, it says front end being raised. Now it's up. Makes it a lot easier pulling in and out of your driveway, parking lots, over speed bumps. And then you can always bring it back down with this button, or as you start driving, you get to a certain speed, it lowers. I'll show you, go ahead and push that. And it'll tell you right here, front end is being lowered. The paddle shifters, the drive settings, steering wheel controls, the dashboard's perfect, the carbon fiber trim's perfect. You got the cup holders here, they stay in, they don't pop out. Also the sunroof, and then folding rear seats, navigation, reverse camera, parking sensors. This car is amazing. Raise the rear spoiler. So it brings it up. Car's perfect. I love the black on black with the yellow brake calipers. I'll do a couple more videos for you guys as well. Power seats. And then the passenger side has power seats as well. As you can see, the seats are just perfect. All the way. Both front seats, rear seats. The Alcantara headliner. Very nice car.